Number 19, suppose that in January a profit-maximizing firm has 25 employees. By February, the firm has decreased employment. One can infer when 25 employees are hired, something. All right, look, I mean, we produce, or anyone produces, where marginal factor cost equals marginal revenue product, which, by the way, is also called value of the marginal product of labor. They're the same stinking thing. And that's the term that this question keeps asking is VMPL if you look at the answer choices. And so the idea is that if wage exceeded the value, all right, then you would have to fire people, which is why the answer is C. If the value of the marginal product of labor exceeded the wage, then you would hire more people. Okay? If the wage equals the value of the marginal product of labor, then you're not hiring anyone or firing anyone. Losing market share is just saying like you're losing out to other businesses. That's completely unclear from this question. And the firm is minimizing losses. Well, that also means that they're maximizing profit. I mean, like, it tells you that it's profit maximizing. That's not what the information of firing people is.